Hello everybody, welcome to another video of my channel. So today we're going to be doing a basic algebra. So in basic algebra, this is substitution, and in substitution you have to, this is an example of what you will get, question you will get when you do algebra. So it is x minus 7 equals to 10. This means that 10 equals to x plus 7, or x equals to 10 minus 7. So we take this over here and then invert it. Invert this operation. This is plus, then equals to minus, equals to 3. So, and we can also prove this. 3 plus 7 indeed equals to 10. Let's take another example. X plus 11 equals to 14.14159265 and goes on forever. Now we take 11 all the way here. So now we have x equals to 114.141592 minus 11. So we can just do this. X equals to 3.14159265358358. This number right here is pi. So pi is a number used to calculate the circumference of a circle. The area around the circle is the perimeter of the circle is basically the circumference, C. Then a circle is basically a shape where all the points on its circumference is equidistant from the center. This means that, so this is all, this is the radius. A radius is from the point, from the center to the circumference, and now and then from the one side of the circumference to the other side that it is intersecting through the line is called
the diameter.
The diameter, which we can write as d. So to calculate this circumference, we do the diameter times pi, or we can also write it as 2 pi r. So to calculate the area, all we have to do is
pi r square.
pi r